ever signed a stamp paper without checking it properly? What if I told you that document could be fake and that you could be in serious legal trouble even without doing anything wrong? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about fake stamp paper scams, a rising threat in India that has ruined businesses, broken families and sent innocent people to court. This isn't just about fraudsters. This is about you and your ability to protect your future with just a little awareness. So, stay till the end. We are not just exposing the scam, we are giving you real tools to stay safe. What is a fake stamp paper scam? Let's start simple. What's a fake stamp paper? A stamp paper is a government issued document used to legally validate contracts, affidavits, property deals and more. It seems official, but counterfeiters have gotten shockingly good at creating fakes. In one of India's most infamous cases, the Telgi Scam, Abdul Karim Telgi printed and sold fake stamp papers worth over 30,000 crore across 13 states. The scandal shook the nation and exposed how deep and dangerous this fraud can be. But Telgi is gone. The scams are still here, just smarter, more localized and harder to detect. Let me tell you about Rajiv, a working professional in Pune who signed a rental agreement on a 100 rupee stamp paper. 6 months later, the landlord filed a case claiming Rajiv has never paid a deposit, even though it was written in the agreement. Turns out, the stamp paper was never purchased from the treasury. It was printed at a local cyber cafe that used stolen registration number. Rajiv lost 1.5 lakhs, faced a legal battle, and worst of all, the law didn't side with him because the contract has no legal validity. This could happen to any of us. How to spot a fake stamp paper? Let's arm you with 5 signs to spot a fake stamp paper. First, no vendor stamp or registration number. Every genuine stamp paper has a unique vendor code and a treasury stamp. 2. No government seal or emblem. The Ashoka pillar and watermark should be visible when held to light. 3. Unusual fonts or spacing. Fake prints often have alignment issues, spelling errors or odd formatting. 4. Non-sequential serial numbers. Each paper has a serial number printed by the government. Verify it. 5. Suspicious source. Only buy from licensed vendors or directly from the Stock Holding Corporation of India SHCIL or e-stamp portals. And yes, e-stamps are safer. We'll talk about that soon. What the law says. Let's talk about your legal rights. Under Section 33 of the Indian Stamp Act of 1899, authorities can impound documents that appear suspicious or improperly stamped. In Sulokshana Amma vs. Narayana Nair in 1994, the Supreme Court held that an unregistered or unstamped document cannot be used as evidence in a legal proceeding, even if both parties have signed it. So the truth is, your good faith doesn't protect you if the stamp paper itself is fake. That's why checking before signing is not just smart, it's your legal safeguard. So, what happens if you realize you've been duped? File a police complaint immediately under IPC section 420 cheating and 468 for forgery. Get the paper verified through the sub-registrar or SHCIL depending on your state. Consult a lawyer to nullify the agreement and protect your liability. In the state of Rajasthan versus Kandaka Jain Jewelers in 2006, the court ruled that burden of proving authenticity lies on the party relying on the stamp paper. So act fast or the court may assume you're the one being dishonest. Safer alternatives and preventive tips. Want to avoid all of this? stamp paper from the official SHCIL portal, please refer to the link below. Always insist on government issued receipts from vendors. Verify the paper's serial number with a sub-registrar. Get a notarized agreement. It adds one more extra layer of security. For business deals or large sums, consider using registered documents. Yes, it takes more time, but remember, prevention is cheaper than litigation. You see, the real danger here isn't just the scam. It's a habit of trusting paperwork blindly. Whether you're signing a lease, making a loan agreement, or helping someone with property, if you don't verify the stamp paper, you could lose everything. In a world full of shortcuts and fast deals, take this as your cue to slow down. Ask questions, verify, protect your peace of mind. Because when the court date comes, your trust won't save you, only the law will. If this video helped you understand the hidden risks behind stamp paper scams, don't keep this knowledge to yourself. Share it with your friends, your family, your colleagues. Hit like if you learned something new today and subscribe if you want more videos that protect your rights and your future. Want to know more about property frauds or e-stamp verification tips? Check out our legal protection playlist. The link is in the description below. Until next time, stay informed, stay protected. Take care. Bye.